The course is named Therapeutic Art for Creative Living, Health and Wellbeing. It's a 4-week short course that is currently offered only in person at one campus. The stakeholder TAFE New South Wales requirement is to offer this course in a fully online environment so it can be offered Australia-wide to increase revenue, meeting the key learning outcomes. In terms of accessibility, the design follows WCAG compliance with clear and simple layout in the Canvas learning management system. It has clear text and instructions, section headings. There is also an immersive reader for vision impaired students.
Activity: Exploring art with therapeutic materials.
It has transcripts for spoken word elements such as podcasts, audio described videos, and diagrams and images include a text version for vision impaired students. To make the learning content more accessible, I've created quick links on the homepage so learners can visually see the items that they may have to refer to regularly throughout the course. I also used a web accessibility contrast checker to check the colours used in the course are accessible. Looking at inclusivity, the learners are from a wide demographic of ages and technology experience. For learners with less experience in online learning, I have created a course video tour so they can be more comfortable in the learning environment. The type of learners studying an art course are most likely to be visual learners, so I've used photos and diagrams where appropriate throughout the course. I've also used imagery to intentionally represent diverse individuals throughout the course, promoting respect and challenging stereotypes. The course will feature a 4-week duration with distinct modules assigned to each week. The course navigation includes a left-hand menu that allows students to quickly find and refer to information with ease. The left-hand menu consists of the course announcements, the syllabus and calendar with assessment due dates, a discussion board, student grades, the Zoom online classroom, and personal support, which is personal counselling services. Also on the homepage are quick links that aren't available in the set Canvas menu. These include a link to the teaching team contacts and the Getting Started page, which is a checklist of art materials students need for the course, and the video tour. Clicking inside the modules area, each week is set out succinctly with similar format. So it starts off with an introduction to the subject for the module, with the module's learning objectives and the time it takes to finish the module. This week starts with an authentic activity via the discussion board, and then it goes on to the learning activity, which is broken down into recommended times. And it features a next prompt at the end, as students are required to submit their journal entry they created in this activity as assessment 2. I've included a diverse range of technology-enhanced options for the learner that encourage engagement, interaction, and collaboration. Here you can see some examples where I've used a podcast and an interactive game. I've also used Padlets and videos throughout the course. Videos are less than 5 minutes long to help reduce cognitive load. To help learners engage in the content, I've used high-quality video production with subject matter experts. There is opportunity for learners to engage by clicking and interacting throughout the course content, and the content is written at the correct level for adult learners. To align to the organisational needs of using Canvas and Zoom, I've used these collaboration technologies in the form of discussion boards and weekly Zoom online classes. Zoom was chosen for its strong collaboration abilities so learners can form breakout rooms for group collaboration and screen share, as they will have to share their art making and interactive whiteboards. Learners engage in the weekly synchronous Zoom sessions by joining here, but can also access the recordings at their convenience, making it accessible for people with differing time schedules. That the recordings will be embedded into the weekly content. Regarding assessments and feedback, assessment components are scheduled at the conclusion of weeks 1, 2, and 4. Assessment items are laid out clearly with all information, overview details, how to submit, learning outcomes, instructions, and followed by the rubric. I have used informal feedback in the form of peer-to-peer discussions in the learning management system, and they will also receive feedback from peers and teachers in the breakout rooms and online classes. I've also used formal feedback in the form of accessible written journal entries. The students receive timely feedback from the teacher from Reflective Journal 1 before submitting their second accessible journal entry. The final lesson in the course is the course review page, used for evaluation with a link to the student survey. As part of the evaluation stage, learning analytics will be viewed in Canvas to view course grades, participation analytics, and reports.